Hello world, Steve here. I wanted to create this video to just give an introduction to myself and this channel, HomeTech with Steve. This channel is mainly centered around home and technology improvements that you can do yourself. However, some of these projects, such as what you see here, I actually hired someone too. I'll dive into those numbers of why I hired professionals to do some things versus choosing to do some things myself. I'm a chronic DIYer. I love doing things myself. I love getting my hands dirty. I love making mistakes and learning from them. These mistakes have cost me a lot of money throughout the years. However, the knowledge that I've gained from these mistakes, you can't put a price tag on. So I hope that this channel inspires you to maybe do that project yourself instead of hiring a professional. Of course, know your own limitations. If you're concerned, if there's a safety component associated with it, make sure you have that ripcord and pull that parachute and get out and hire a professional to do that. One mistake can cost you your life. It can cost you some medical bills. It can cost you some damage to your environment, your roof, for example. Make sure you're just aware of your surroundings as you're doing these projects yourself. Hopefully though, as you watch these videos, you'll be inspired to do things yourself, such as maybe install a 5G antenna and point it at your cell phone tower to get better signal. Maybe look into doing solar. Maybe not installing it yourself, but at least understanding all the technology associated with it. Maybe do that smart upgrade, such as a smart lock or a video doorbell. Do it yourself, learn from it, spend a little bit of time on the internet, watching YouTubes, searching Reddit, looking elsewhere on the internet, and gain that knowledge for yourself. I have to warn you, it is crazy addicting. It's also crazy expensive, but it's so rewarding. So come with me on this journey, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll go through it together. And I promise to you, the viewers, that I will do my best to convey as much research and knowledge that I have and share it with you without holding anything back. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.